Hey there, thanks for tuning in. This is the Tammy Tine Design YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my haul from the Orlando Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. I didn't take any classes, but I did manage to spend several hours shopping for fun goodies. I typically shop online. I don't have a local scrapbook store near me, so this is the one time a year I get to see products in person before I buy them. You'll see as we go through this stack that I was looking for embellishments more than anything else. I did buy some paper, of course, but I don't need a lot of paper right now. My system is really working for me, and I've been doing a great job of using what I have. So I was more focused on finding fun embellishments. Let me move this stack off to the side and I'll go through everything I found. Trinity Stamps had a booth this year. I don't remember seeing them last year, or maybe I just missed them. I've been buying more and more of these tiny bauble like embellishments. They are tiny little gems and they're coming out with so many fun colors. I love my greens and blues, and I thought these would be perfect for spring. My favorite way to use these are in place of enamel dots. I tend to use all of the smallest enamel dots first. I just like the smallest size best, and that leaves me with leftover larger dots that I don't always use. Enter this little package. It's about the same price as enamel dots, just a little more expensive, but you get a ton of them and they are all pretty small. Pink Fresh has been doing packages like this. Buttons Galore has some. They are marketed, I suppose, to the card makers, but they work just as well on scrapbook pages. They are a great alternative if you want something different than enamel dots. Not that I'm giving up my enamel dots. I still love my enamel dots. They also had boxes full of these little containers, and there was a show special price if you purchased 5 of them. So, of course, I got 5 different varieties. This one has purple sequins and is called Royal Velvet, and the finish is a little bit iridescent. The next one is called Unicorn Tears, and these are small little rhinestones that also have an iridescent finish. This one is polymer clay footballs, perfect for shaker pockets. Here's a Disney set with red and black and yellow Mickeys, and there's other fun shapes in there, perfect for Disney. And the last one is silver glittered drops that again are like enamel dots. I love anything silver, so that was a really good find. Last year, I bought a bunch of 49 in market paper at this particular booth. I still have a lot of it, so this year I just purchased embellishments. I was super excited to find these film strips in black and white. 49 and Market has these film strips in a ton of colors, which are all cool. And I have many of the colors, but sometimes I just want some black ones and I didn't have any. So I was happy to pick this up and add these distressed white ones too. And just as a side note, I'm not going to open up all of these packages and go through all the stuff. We would be here all day. I'm just going to show the packages. Most of this stuff is not from new collections, so you may already have it in your stash. This package includes 30 pieces, well worth the price, but everything at this booth was on sale. Here's the gardenia ephemera beds. There are 145 pieces in here. It is a huge pack. You can kind of see how big this is. I don't usually buy these giant packs, but I do love the colors in this collection, and I have some of the papers. The vintage vibe from 49 and Market is not usually my style, but there are some cool pieces in here. I love the Viewmaster slides, and I can always use more labels and tickets, and the flowers are really pretty. I picked up 2 sets of laser cut embellishments. With these, you also get a ton of pieces. Here's the Nature Study wing elements. There are butterflies and moths in this pack. The colors are neutral, so I figure these would be easy to tuck into embellishment clusters. Some of the pieces are really big, but there's still a good variety of sizes. The neutrals can work into all kinds of different layouts, so these will be fun to start playing with. I also got the Crafty Garden Wildflowers. I thought the exact same thing with this one. The colors are muted, and this one has a lot of leaves in addition to the flowers. There are more butterflies and some bees in here too. The leaves are great to add to other flower die cuts. And you can always cut the pieces in half and get them to stretch further. I love these for embellishment clusters. The imagery is more vintage in style, but it's flowers, so they fit with everything. I bought 4 sets of thickers. I think the booth was a tall mouse. This was a show special, 4 for $20 or $5 each. I think these packs go for $6.99 now, so that was a pretty good deal. 3 of these are from newer collections. This is the only one that's older from Jen Hadfield's Flower Child collection, but I never got the thickers, so I was happy to find these. I still have papers from this collection to use. I love the silver and copper metallics printed on here. And these are foam, not chipboard. I've never been a huge fan of chipboard, so it makes me happy to see these embellishments in foam now. These are great for quick titles, and I like that they included little hearts and stars in this one. Some of the phrases are small enough to tuck into embellishment clusters or to add to a photo. This one is from Cedar House, which is a brand new collection from American Crafts. What I liked about this is that it feels more masculine. This is a navy color and it looks striking with the gold. This one is all titles, no small phrases here, but some of the titles are fun and could definitely spark some ideas for stories or layouts to make. I love the retro font they used for the word epic. Definitely some fun ideas here for scrapbooking the boys and men in your life. Work hard, play hard could be a fun layout. Adventures fill your soul. That could have gone better. I do like that some of these are a tad bit snarky. Yeah, I really like these. And these are also foam, so yay for that. These are from Coast to Coast, another brand new collection from American Crafts. It's a travel collection, so lots of fun phrases and titles. I like that it's a good mix of smaller pieces that you can tuck into clusters, but there are large titles too. And this one also includes individual letters for some of the phrases, like memories here. And on the front, are we there yet? Is just the letters. I also picked up an alphabet from Hello Little Girl, which is new. What I really liked about this alphabet was that on the front is the full uppercase alphabet, and on the back is a full lowercase alphabet. Not many thicker sets have both upper and lowercase letters. This is a peachy pink color, and this one also comes with a bunch of numbers on both sides, and it's also foam. Super cute. This booth was so much fun. They always bring a ton of simple story stuff, and all of these embellishments were $2 each. I was just sad that there wasn't more that I needed. They are older collections, though. These are not from the brand new collections. That's okay by me, though. For $2 a piece, I'll find a way to use these even if I don't have any of the papers. So this is the bits and pieces pack from the Boho Sunshine collection. This one came out last year, so it's kind of hard to say that this is really older. These icons are super fun and the colors are bright. I love the retro vibe and the colors aren't weird, so I shouldn't have a hard time adding these to any kinds of layouts. For $2, this was a really good find. This is the Simple Pages Meow page pieces. What I like about these kits is that along with the smaller supporting die cuts, they also come with a big title piece. Layouts always go faster when you have a title ready to go. I got another one of these. This is St. Patrick's Day kit. What I like about this one is that it doesn't have to be used on a March 17th layout. The title is So Lucky, which could be about anything. There are some four leaf clovers, but there's other pretty flowers too. I got the cat's decorative brad set from the Pet Shop collection. That was a no brainer. I love these flatback brad stickers. They didn't have a huge collection of foam stickers to choose from. Most of them were holiday and winter and Christmas, which I just didn't need. But I did get this set from Acorn Lane. These foam stickers are usually like $7 a piece. I wish that they had had other sets to pick up, but I'm really glad that I got at least one. I don't scrapbook a ton of fall pages because I live in Florida and fall is still summer for us, but I'll figure out how to use them even if I don't have super themed photos. Lastly, I did get two sets of these chipboard frames. When you browse products online, it's not always easy to imagine the sizes of things. I didn't realize how big these frames were until I saw them in person. These pieces are huge compared to my hands. While I'm not a huge chipboard fan, and yes, sometimes I will peel off the top not to have the bulk of the chipboard, these looked so fun and colorful. I don't buy a lot of small chipboard anymore, but I thought that these big pieces were worth it. Add one of these pieces to a layout, and you wouldn't need to do much else. I do have some ideas for how I might use them, and for the price, I just couldn't pass these up. Next up is Echo Park. I always love going to their booth. I'm going to split this up and just show the embellishments first. These frames and tag sets were also $2 each. I know that Echo Park does have online warehouse sales and you can get similar deals online, but there really is something about being able to look at things before you buy them. I didn't have any of these sets, so I was happy to find them. This is from the Cartabella Collection Homemade. The colors are fun and feature flowers, so these should be easy to use. I picked up this one from Flora number 5. Lots of cute tags in this one. And the last one is from Echo Park's Little Dreamer collection. I also picked up two sets of enamel dots. I don't know about you, but I can never buy too many enamel dots. One is Traveler's Notebook, which has blues and greens and yellows. And the other one is from Dream Big and has more primary colors. I like that there are more smaller dots here. I use the smallest dots the most. I picked up one sticker book. I think this was $5. I don't buy stickers for every collection, but I did like this one from here, there, and everywhere. I did already open this, so let me flip through it for you. You really do get a ton of stickers in this book. And these are high quality cardstock stickers, not the paper thin ones you get from some other companies. I can never have enough words. These banner stickers are great for cluster building. There's a full sheet of numbers, and then you get a sheet of uppercase letters. And then it starts over. So you get two of each sheet in this pack. And then, of course, I couldn't pass up the paper packs. Yes, I got 10 of them because 10 for $60 is the best deal ever. I have several videos on my channel talking about how I have broken down all of my collection packs because when I keep them together as a collection, I never reach for them when I scrapbook. I may be the only scrapbooker in the world that has that problem. I realize that. But when I can go to a convention and get a deal like this, yes, I walked home with 10 new collection packs. This breaks down to 50 cents per sheet of paper. And that doesn't even count the sticker sheets that are usually $4 each. So I'll move the stack aside and show you each one. Here, there, and everywhere from Cartabella. This is the same collection as the sticker book I just went through. And if anyone is wondering, yes, I will be bringing back my collection Teardown series because I won't be keeping any of these collection packs together. It just works better for me and the way that I scrapbook to put the paper where I'll actually find it and use it. So I'll break them all down over time. And if you liked that series, I'll film more videos and release them throughout the upcoming summer months. I really like the blacks in this collection and that some of the papers have black backgrounds. I'm loving the camera icon, that just never gets old. Lots of florals as usual. And there's more fun retro icons on the sticker sheet, like the record player and the typewriters. And this is Cartabella, so that the papers are textured cardstock that we all love. I can't wait to open this one up and go through these papers. Here's the Little Dreamer collection. I love the colors here, and this limey green color is really different. I love the rainbows and the butterflies. Here's the sticker sheet on the back. And these collections always come with several cut apart sheets, and this one also has fairies and butterflies and unicorns. Next is Little Dreamer Boy. I love that this one has some dark navy papers, lots of toy vehicles. Here's the sticker sheet. I can already tell you that I'm drawn to all of the B-sides. Those are the patterns that I know I can use on any kind of layout. I also like the stars and the stripes, and there's a gingham and polka dots. I really love this collection. Here's Dream Big Little Girl. This one came out last year. I like the colors. They're more muted and neutral. Lots of kids' patterns. I don't scrapbook kids much anymore, but I have some ideas for helping all of us think outside the box when it comes to these kinds of patterns. Here's the sticker sheet on the back. I'm loving all the flowers here too. Here's the New Day collection. This was a spring collection from last year. Great color palette. I'm loving that dark blue. And here's the sticker sheet on the back. I don't think I have the sticker sheet, and I really think this is going to be a fun one to break down. I loved the first Day in the Life collection, so I was really happy to see that they had this one available. This one has a little bit of a different color palette, but I still think that B-sides will certainly coordinate with the other one. Here's the sticker sheet. Really, it's geared towards daily scrapbooking with all of the cut apart sheets. Our story matters. I know I have several of these papers already, but I love the color palette, so it will be nice to have multiples, especially for the B-sides. Here's the sticker sheet. This collection is all about telling stories, so I'm really loving that theme. It's always helpful to have story themed papers. This is Dream Big Little Boy. I don't have a need to scrapbook children. I've already said that, but the colors here are bold neutrals. Here's the sticker sheet on the back. The B-sides especially will be great masculine papers. While there are toy themes and kitty illustrations, there are papers here that don't have to be just for children. Again, there's more stars and plaid papers that will work for anything. Here's Birthday Girl from 2021. Loving the colors here, especially this really pretty coral color. There are rainbows and a grid and stripes as well. I don't usually buy birthday papers that often, so this will be good to add a few of the themed papers to my stash. Here's the sticker sheet on the back. That will be great for making birthday cards when I do need them. Last but not least, the only Dots and Stripes collection that they had at the convention was spring. I love my B-sides papers and I can never have enough of these. I would have picked up any others, but this was the only one they had. And that is my entire haul. Let me see if I can get everything lined up and into the camera frame. If you ever have a chance to go to one of these conventions, definitely go. It's totally worth it. The deals are amazing. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming collection teardown videos. They're coming soon. See you next time.